Begin by turning off the water supply. Push down the flush lever to drain the bowl. Disconnect the water supply from the back of the toilet bowl. Remove the existing floor mounting caps. With a socket, remove the floor mounting nuts and the floor mounting washers on both sides. Lift the existing toilet off the mounting bolts. Remove and discard the existing floor mounting T-bolts. Make sure the floor flange is clean and free of any debris or sealant before installing the new toilet. Install the new floor mounting T-bolts into the slots in the floor flange. Install the new floor flange seal to the base of the toilet with the part number facing down. Align the holes in the toilet base with the floor mounting T-bolts as you lower the toilet onto the floor flange. Be sure the entire outlet drain of the toilet base fits inside the floor flange outlet hole to avoid leaks. Place the new floor mounting washers and then the new floor mounting nuts onto the floor mounting T-bolts. Tighten the floor mounting nuts. When tightening, it's important to alternate between nuts. Not doing so may cause the seal to not seat properly, causing a leak. With a torque wrench, tighten bolts to 30 to 40 inch-pounds, making sure not to over-tighten. When tightening, it's important to alternate between nuts. Reconnect all the water supply lines and turn on the water. Install the mounting bolt caps on both sides. Test the new toilet for proper function and leaks.